Yo, what up, guys? So I woke up today with one thing on my mind: exhaust. Let's go put it on. So as you guys know, this is what this stock exhaust looks like. I do highly recommend jacking the car up. You don't need to, it's not necessary, but that extra space just makes the install go a little bit easier. So you're going to need to use a 14mm socket and wrench in order to get these bolts off. If your bolts are stuck on there or they're rusted or something like that, you might need to use a heat gun to break all that up just to get it loose. So now there are two hangers you're going to need to take the exhaust off. One is toward the outside front of the car. The other one would be toward the back of the car on the inside. Now just spray some WD-40 on the hangers to make it slide off easier. So on this part, just be careful. Make sure you don't get this shit in your eyes. Alright, now just pull the exhaust out the hangers. I did the back one first, then I moved to the front. Now just pull off the rubber hangers and replace them with your new ones. order, and it hurt like a bitch. So here's a side-by-side comparison of the two. Look at these, man. They're just so nice and skinny and light. They look so good. And then you got these two thick ass bitches. Now the install is easy as shit. Just do everything that you just did in reverse order. If you need to, spray some more WD-40 on the new hangers to be able to hang up the exhaust. And remember to take off your old gaskets and put the new ones on. Do not leave your old gaskets on. Then put your bolts in and start tightening everything down. Now for now, I'm just hand tightening everything. So the passenger side likes to hang low. You're going to want to hold that side up while you tighten the bolts down. Here, I do so by using my knee. So here I could feel an exhaust leak on both sides. I didn't really like that. I did read online through forums that it's normal and that you just drive the car for a few days and it'll go away. So I did that. It did not go away. It did get a lot better, but I still didn't like it. So I ended up purchasing these. And they work like a charm. Once I put these on, the exhaust leak went away completely. Another side note that the hole doesn't completely line up, so you will have to cut out and make that hole a little bit bigger. Yo, so I know it's kind of dark right now. I just got out the gym and it's early as fuck right now. Too early, but hey, gotta get it done early, get it out the way. But I just want to talk about the exhaust. I've been riding around with it for a few days now. Yo, sounds fucking amazing. It just makes the car feel different, like you're driving a brand new car. It's not too loud. It's not obnoxiously loud. Now, cold starts and startups, it's kind of loud. But once the car warms up, it's a nice purring tone. I'm not going to do sound clips. I mean, there's plenty of sound clips on YouTube that you can see. And I know the video sound doesn't do justice, but I'm telling you, it sounds fucking amazing. Especially the little crackles and little pops. So by far the best install I've done yet. I mean, I can't stress it enough how amazing the car sounds. It sounds so good. The 4-inch tips just look really good. They fill in those gaps really well. And it just looks so mean. Also, I'm the type of person that I like to hear my car when I drive around. I like to have music down and hear the exhaust, hear the engine. I don't know, it's just a personal thing I like to do. Install was fairly easy. It's pretty straightforward, nothing too difficult.
The only hard part I can see is maybe if your bolts are like rusted on there or something like that, and getting those off might be a little difficult. Other than that though, for the most part, shit was easy. Wear gloves, protect your hands. You see I fucked my shit up, but hey, the car is looking sexy. Hey, please like, comment, subscribe below, and I got some red Cypher seats coming, and I'll see you next time.